Everybody, welcome back. Let me bring you a little bit forward. Sorry. Okay. I've been working on this off and on for a little bit. I wanted to get mostly done before I showed you. I wanted to do some wooden firecrackers. I have big ones that go outside on the porch that you can see in my Patriotic playlist. And I'll try to remember to put it down in the description so you can go check that out. That's a huge version out of posts. This I had, we bought Ariel a new bed frame for her bed. And so the old bed frame had those wooden feet plus the slats. So my husband took all the wooden stuff out to the shop and I'm like, oh, I want to make those wooden firecrackers for the mantle. I wanted to make a set for the mantle. And let me show you. This is off of Pinterest. I don't know if you can see. That's my idea on a smaller scale. And I wanted to do that for my mantle. So it looks patriotic in there. And so I went out to the shop to see if he had some of these because he used some. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some sort of wood, tiered sizes. Mine are like that, and I'm going to group them together and put not this rope but twine or raffia around it. And so you need some rope for the spout. You need a glue gun with some kind of glue. You need your raffia. I still need to go get that. It's over in my little thing. Now, I don't have a stencil for the stars. So I had these brads. I got a bunch of these red, white, and blue brads. Can you see the little brads? Just little teeny ones, where this is small. So I used it. I painted this the blue. I should show you my paint. I've got red, this color blue, which isn't the color blue that I wanted. I wanted the navy blue, but I didn't have any, so I do now. So I can make another set if actually I am going to make a different kind of block thing. Then I got my white. So, and then I got my little star. So we're going to do that part. I'm going to do that part with you. I painted this. One's all set. I just got to glue. I'm going to paint the star and glue the tips on and the raffia so you can see the end part of it. Let me grab my raffia if I can find it. I think it's in one of my buckets up here. Okay, let me move a couple of my things around, guys, and I will get it, because I've got stuff hooked to it. You will have to unhook from it. Okay. Raffia. And I will take, see, I have red, but it's a different kind of red. So I have a whole thing full of the regular kind. But I think I'm just gonna take out of the stuff I already have loose to use up. Grab some of that. I don't want the green one. That should be enough, I think. Okay, I'll put that back later. So, I got my raffia, and you're gonna need painter's tape or masking tape or whatever. I got my glue gun on. So let's take off this one, because this one I don't have to do anything to, do I? No, I don't. So let's take the tape off. I'm hoping that there's going to be a little bit of bleed, but that's fine. I want it to look kind of rustic-y. And I've got paint all over my, but it's dry now, so let's take this off. Probably should charge my phone because it's going to die on me. All right, where's this one? Okay. And if you go to, I'll see if I can link my Pinterest board, the Patriotic one, to in the bottom. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. If I can, I will. If I can't, then I'll just tell you my name on there, and you can go check it out for yourself. I got a bunch of boards on my main page. Now the white I did the other day, so the white I know is dry. I just painted the red not too long ago, so I want to make sure that I don't grab that part. I'm doing it the wrong way. Yes. Okay. All right, here's one. Isn't that pretty? See, and it's not perfect. I don't want it to be perfect. So there's that one. I can take a little brush and kind of brush it up a little bit if I want. I can take a little bit because it's this part right here. You can touch it up if you want. I'm not gonna totally worry about that right now. So let's take this one off, and this is the one we need to add the stars to. Now, on the picture, it only has one on each side. So, we can probably, mine is smaller. You could probably put two on each side, but I'm just gonna do the one. I'll do the one for now, and then if I want to go back and do it, I will. And here is the other one, this stuff. Okay, so I'm going to lay this down. Probably should move this like this because I have paint on it. Now we're going to take my paintbrush and get the red off. Try to anyway. I need more water in here. I'll try to get it all off. So now I'm going to take a star and put it on here. Grab some white. Actually, I can use a different paintbrush. I'm going to grab this one. And I got nails on, so it's hard to hold it, but just kind of, it's just like a stencil. And it's going to look similar to a star, I hope. That's better. And you just go around it. I mean, if you're handy and are talented, you can draw it on. I'm not that talented. Oh, I suppose I could, but I'd trace it with a pencil first. Just not go ahead and paint it. And the last one, one I messed up on. That's okay. So now, hold on just one second. Sorry about that. Okay, so now we can take the glue gun and put a bunch of glue in there. Take one of these and put it at the top. I'm going to set it down. Do this one. Put this one in, hopefully. That'll stay. If it doesn't, you can always re-glue it. It's not a big deal. And then this one has a lot. Okay. And put this one on. And then you're going to, let's see how they, I don't think they got them together. No, they don't. So if you go and look at little ones, you can find the little ones. Oh, see, it's not exactly what I want to do, but because those are round, but they're tied. Can you see it? See, they're tied in a bunch. So I will take these like this and take raffia, take a couple of pieces. Let's see, try to take a couple of pieces of raffia and tie it. Now if you wanted to, you could wrap these individually. I'll put this on the flat surface so I can do it right. You can wrap some raffia around each one, but I am not going to do that. Move over there, and I'm going to double knot it so it doesn't come loose. There. Now you can tie a bow. I do my bows backwards because I'm left-handed. And then these pieces, you can make it into a bunch of little ones. And I'll probably do that once I figure out where I'm going to put them. They are going to go on my... And you can put a little spot of glue on here if you don't want it to move, which is what I probably will do because I tie funky. So, and I don't want it to budge. So we're going to glue that like that. And these have the little ties that just, you know, the tails. Excuse me. I like that look. So, there we go, guys. Isn't that pretty? Really cute. I could have done this all in one day, but I didn't. I painted it, the stripes type, and, you know, I painted the blue one in one day, did all the blue, and then I went back and did red and the white. So isn't that pretty? That's going to go upstairs. You will see it in my tour. But for now, here we go. So there'll be a playlist. If there's not one there already, the for Patriotic, I will make one for Patriotic 2021. And this will be in there. And I've got another one that I'm going to be doing. I need to go find my pieces of wood. I will keep this here and the tape here because I need it. And I gotta clean my brushes and this, and we're good. So, excuse me. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Share the video. Check out down in the description for the 200 subscriber giveaway. Be part of that. And we will see you all again soon. Bye now.